But today, iibahin ko naman ang konti. I won't be focusing so much on my story because I feel memorize nyo na naman halos lahat ng testimony ko. Tama ba? Yes! Gusto ko lang mag-share ng konti dahil recently, may experience ako and I want to give you encouragement. Then, of course, I'll move on na to my main topic. Okay lang ba? Yes! As you all know, or maybe not, dahil hindi naman obvious, 55 years old na ang inyong Barbie Queen. So, this year, first time akong nagpa-executive check-up. Medyo nakakakaba. Lalo na, ang sabi nila pag 50 kailangan. Medyo na-late ako kasi sobrang busy sa I am. Diba? Pero, kahit na-delay ako ng 5 years, guys, praise God. Everything is good and everything was negative. Normal talaga, habang tumatanda, magkaroon ng lumps and bumps here and there. Pero dahil sa I am amazing organic barley natin, everything was fine. Alam naman natin, hindi Diyos ang barley, pero galing sa Kanya. Grabe, ang galing talaga ni Lord. He is King. And kapag may mission ka pa talaga sa mundo, He will make sure that you remain healthy. Naniniwala ako that I am healthy today dahil every single day, nag-barley ako. So please, kahit wala talagang nabubuhay forever, while we are still here, while we can still share, let us continue to drink our barley and the personal testimonies of our own. Okay ba? Yes! Okay, so,